The first time I lost steering control while docking, I learned the valuable lesson of going through steering and throttle checks before getting underway. So I always rack the steering system full lock to lock, which is 6 1/8 turn, and then I run the transmission in forward and reverse and make sure the shifting linkage feels correct. And I do the same with the throttle, just bump it a little bit, make sure the response is correct. There's a couple divers in the water bottom cleaning, so just keeping an eye on them before I move astern. The most common weather pattern at this slip location is wind on the starboard beam blowing down the fairway in the afternoons. This boat has a lot of windage and has a tendency to blow the bow downwind when moving astern. So when winds are light, I typically back out and turn the bow into the wind, which is also the direction to exit the fairway. This boat has a right-hand prop, so it walks to port in reverse, and I typically try to favor the stern to the starboard side a little bit to offset the prop walk, so I can remain as perpendicular as possible to the fairway. And since there's no wind, I don't have to increase the throttle at all. I can control boat position by just shifting in forward, neutral, and reverse. And I think I'm just walking aft on the bridge right now to see how close I am to a dinghy that's tied to the stern of a boat directly behind. In the next video, I will show you the technique I found that works best for exiting the slip when the wind is up on the starboard side.